Hi, my name is Emma. Today I want to tell you about helping my mom. Mom is very busy. She is cleaning and cooking.
I have lots to do today.
I am playing with my toys. I see Mom working hard. I wonder, should I help Mom? Mom, can I help you?
Yes, Emma, that would be wonderful.
I can help in safe ways.
Please put your toys away.
I wipe the table and help sort laundry.
Great job, Emma. Thank you for helping me.
I like helping you, Mom. When I help Mom, I feel proud and happy. Yes, we should help Mom. Helping makes our home happy. When we help Mom in safe ways, we show love and kindness.